Hi everyone, it's Kerry Engel with Creative Scrapbooker Magazine and a Technique Taster. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple wrap journal using an Eileen Hull die, Simple Stories Say Cheese 4 collection, and Media Mark stamps from Stampers Anonymous. I'm using some Creative Scrapbooker Super Stock as my base, the Eileen Hull Wrap Travel Journal die, and a Simple Stories collection, Say Cheese 4, and the Stampers Anonymous collection by Tim Holtz called Media Marks. To build the journal, you take some Suquang tape. It comes in these really huge rolls, and you're going to roll some of the tape on both sides of your super stock. And then you're going to adhere your cardstock to the super stock and run it through the die. And this is what you'll end up with, is a really simple little wrap journal. Here are two examples of some wrap journals using the Simple Stories collection. This one's a little brighter with the red polka dots, and this is the one I'm going to be working on right now. The wrap journal comes with some holes pre-punched in here that you can run some string through. I've used elastic cord, and what we end up doing is making little books, or signatures they're called, and you're going to insert them into the middle. And that's how you end up creating a book. So we're going to start by decorating the outside of our album first. So to create my stamped embellishments, I've taken some of my oxide inks in colors that match the collection and stamped it on some cardstock. And then all I do is fussy cut them out. So I've used the circles and this branch, and I've created, you in essence create your own embellishments and the elements from the Say Cheese 4 collection. There are all sorts of fun elements, some really sturdy chipboard stickers, some puffy stickers which are fun to layer, thinner stickers, and all sorts of paper to create your own embellishments from. So now that we've created the outside of our journal, you'll see that it folds, and we're going to create some signatures. They're called book signatures that will go on the inside. To create my signatures, my little books, I've taken some super stock and cut it into a 4x8 and then folded it. So the super stock forms the outside of my little books that go on the inside. And to make this one, I've taken the little stickers that come in the collection and layered the stickers on top of the cardstock and added some of the word confetti along the side and added a poofy sticker on top to give it a little dimension. The inside of this signature, I've taken my stamp from Stampers Anonymous from the Media Marks collection, stamped it on the edge here, and added a few little kids on the bottom. It'll go together like this. You create your little book, and you stick it on the inside of the journal. Now I'll show you how to make a few different signature covers. So here I've made my insides, decorated each signature with all the different elements of the collection. My book will close like this. I can tie a ribbon around it, but I'm missing something, so I'm going to use my Brother labeller to add another little sentiment to the front cover. I love this labeller for adding those kind of personalized messages to your cards or scrapbooking pages. When you're typing in, you can choose from different types of fonts. You can change the sizes. You can do 2 different levels, or 2 rows, I guess, of printing. You can add a border around your printing. A lot of choices and a lot of fun things to do. Today I'm going to be using a blue ribbon, and it's a pastel blue that you simply put into the back. Very simple to choose. Switch out your ribbons. Can't get easier than that. I wanted to make this look more like a ribbon, so I trimmed the tail a bit, curved the edges, and then I can add it into my album. There you go. Perfect for a birthday card, a gift. I find them useful in the office when we're sending around a card and everyone gets to sign and add a memory to it. I add photos of people to the albums, to the signatures. You could use it as a journal on a trip or as a little mini album after a trip. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.